Project KUSHA is an ambitious Indian indigenous long-range air defense system designed to rival the Russian S-400 Triumph system. It is being developed by DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, and aims to provide India with a domestically built, multi-layered air defense shield. Here are the full details of Project KUSHA as known till June 2025. Japanese symbol for beginner overview of Project KUSHA. Feature details. Name Project KUSHA, codename. Official name yet to be finalized. Purpose Indigenous Long-Range Surface-to-Air Missile, LRSAM, Defense System. Comparable to Russian S-400 Triumph. Developer DRDO, specifically DRDL, Defense Research and Development Laboratory. Planned deployment Indian Air Force and Indian Army. Status in advanced development stage. Trials ongoing. Deployment expected around 2028. Shield capabilities. Project KUSHA will feature multi-layered air defense covering
short range,
medium range, long range up to 350 to 400 kilometers. It is being designed to intercept enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, UAVs, drones, rocket missile types projected. Project KUSHA will likely use 3 tiers of interceptor missiles, like the S-400. Range category estimated intercept range purpose. Short range 40 kilometers close-in threats. Medium range 120 to 150 kilometers tactical targets. Long range 250 to 400 kilometers strategic, high-value targets like ballistic missiles. Brain radar and tracking system. Likely to feature active electronically scanned array, AESA, radars. Multifunction surveillance and tracking radar for 360-degree coverage. Designed to track dozens of targets simultaneously. Integration with BMD, ballistic missile defense, radar networks. Wrench key indigenous technologies. Interceptor missiles with dual-pulse solid motors. Indigenous seekers, RF and IR-based for terminal guidance. Command and control systems built in India. Mobile launchers based on Indian heavy vehicle platforms, possibly from Tata or Ashok Leyland. Magnifying glass tilted left, strategic importance. Reduced dependency on foreign systems like S-400 Russia. Complement India's ballistic missile defense, BMD, program, like PAD and AAD. Strengthen India's anti-access/area denial, A2/AD, capabilities. Provide layered protection to cities, military bases, nuclear assets. Counterclockwise arrows button comparison with S-400. Feature S-400, Russia. Project KUSHA, India. Max range 400 kilometers 350 to 400 kilometers, planned. Mobility mobile launchers mobile, Indian platforms. Radar AESA plus multiple tracking radars indigenous AESA radars. Integration Russian C-4I systems Indian networked battlefield systems. Operational deployed in India, 5 units. Expected post, 2028. Calendar timeline highlights. 2018 to 2020. Concept and R&D initiated. 2021 to 2023. Preliminary development and design work. 2024 to 2025. Testing of subsystems and missile trials. 2026 to 2028. Expected full system trials and user testing. 2028 onward. Probable induction into Indian Armed Forces. Puzzle piece related indigenous systems. Project KUSHA is part of a broader Indian air defense architecture, including Akash-NG, medium-range SAM, MR-SAM/Barak, 8, jointly with Israel. VLSRS-SAM for Navy. XRS-HAM, another upcoming long-range system. BMD Phase 1 and 2 for ballistic missile threats. India conclusion. Project KUSHA is India's strategic step towards self-reliant air defense, intended to provide an indigenous alternative to the S-400. It represents a significant leap in missile technology, radar systems, and command integration, and fits within the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense.